ready? Are you ready in my ref? Hello everyone! Today's video is all about what? It's all about what is in my ref? What is in here? What is in here, guys? What is here in my ref? So now I just wanna show you guys what is in my ref. So what here inside in my ref? I'm here inside. I'm here inside, guys. Are you ready to my tour? This is my tour. This is na I just wanna you make tour pala. Itutur ko lang kayo dito, guys, sa aking small na ref. Ito yung small kong ref. Ito yung, yes! Ito yung small kong ref. So, itutur ko kayo sa aking small na ref. So, what is in my ref? What is in my ref? What is in my refrigerator? What is inside in my ref? So, now, so, yun. Ayun. So, open ko ito. Yes. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? First door first. So, here we go. Oops. What is it? What is it? So, I have in my fridge. So now, guys, this is all I have in my fridge. So I have my grapes. I have my grapes, and then I have what do you call this one? This is one of my favorite too, for the sushi. Sometimes I made sushi also. Sometimes I made sushi. Sorry, guys, I'm just doing this, okay? I'm just doing this, okay? Alright, and then I have my feta cheese. Oh, one of my favorite, guys, feta cheese. This is my feta cheese, okay? My feta cheese. Then I have my sour cream in my wrap. This is one of my favorite breakfast too. Then I have my what do you call this one? This is the bread I love to for my breakfast too. This one. Then what else? My what do you call this one? My spinach, and then oh my god, I have a cake sometimes. And I bought someone's giving me a cake. So this is yummy, yeah, yummy, guys. Then what else I have? I have a lot of itlog. Then in my I have my what else? What's called this one is cheese, blended cheese, pala shredded cheese for my breakfast. Then my favorite kale. I have kale, one of my favorite too. The kale, iluto ko lang siya, ibibake ko lang to, guys. Ibibake ko lang siya ng mga 5 minutes. Then crunchy na. Masarap siya, crunchy siya after that. Then the best ever, avocado. May avocado. May avocado. Iyan, avocado ko yan. Lagi ko sa ref. Oh, ang dami ko palang cheese. Ang dami kong cheese sa ref. Sorry. May dalawa kong cheese. Cheese, guys. Dalawa yung cheese ko. Okay. Dalawa ang cheese ko. Then, ito. Then, ayan. Balik ko na siya. May talong ako, guys. Talong kasi piprito ko siya if may minsan nag-uulam ako ng eggplant with pork chop. The best din siya with pork chop. Then, yan, babalik ko na yan, guys. Then, I have my noodles. I love these noodles, guys. This noodles is the best ever too. This noodles. Fish noodles is the best ever. The best ever talaga, guys. Ito yun. Ito yun, guys. Ayan. Then, oh, I have my luya. Luya, guys. Luya. I have my luya. Then, what else, guys? Then, orange. Yes, this is the best ever orange. Yes. The best ever orange. Yes, orange, guys. Ayan. Then, oh, I have another one. Then, I have orange. Then, I have my cilantro. Cilantro, guys. Ito, recommended ko dahil pag bumili ka ng cilantro, bilhin nyo yung may plastic kasi mag-takes long time pa sa inyo sa ref. Parang ang tagal niya sa ref kasi tagal siya masira. Then, I have my green onions. This is my green onion, guys. Green onions, okay? Then, what else? Oh, I have one more. One more, guys. Oh, this is the one. My romaine lettuce ko. Magsasalad ako. Yan, napaka-easy lang yan gawin. Yan, ginagawa ko palagi. Kasi mahilig lang talaga ako sa salad, guys. Kasi we are on diet nga. I'm on diet nga naman. Oh, I have my, oh my God, nasisira na siya. Wow. This one, anong tawag nga nito? Snow peas. No? Kasi minsan nagno-noodles ako, nagpapansit ako. So, hinahalo ko siya. And then, the last one in here, oh, my celery. My celery. Yan, celery ko yan. Yan. Ayan, yan. So, yan. Ito yung nasa laman ng ref ko. Yan. Yan ang nasa laman ng ref ko. Okay? Then, ano pa ba ang kailangan nyo malaman sa ref ko? Ano ba yung mga gusto nyong malaman na mga kinakain ko? Yun lang, guys. Kasi yung usually kong kinakain is usually sa morning is ano lang talaga, itlog. Then, with what you call this one? Itlog. And then, ano nga tawag niyan, guys? Itlog. Yan lang, itlog. Bacon. Yan lang talaga. At tapos, gumagawa din ako ng kimchi. Yeah, guys. I have my kimchi. This is my kimchi, guys. Then, I have this one. This is the best one, guys. Yes, this one. Masarap to. Kasi hinugasan ko na to, guys, ha. I wash already this one. I wash already, okay? Up. My turkey. Turkey, nakasale to, guys, ha. $1.49. Turkey, masarap siya. This one, this is for my kimchi, guys. Sometimes I make kimchi. Sometimes. So maybe next week I'm going to make again kimchi. So that's why I have ingredients for kimchi. Sushi, I mean sushi, not kimchi. Sushi is not kimchi, ko ng kimchi. Kimchi ako ng kimchi. Yeah, kimchi ako ng kimchi. Then I have my pineapple. And then this is the last, guys. I wanna show you the one I made it. I made it kimchi. Kimchi ako ng kimchi. Paborito ko kasi yung kimchi. Kaya eto, gumagawa talaga ako ng kimchi. Yan, si kimchi ko. Yan. Yan talaga nagawa ko ng kimchi. Mga naka 2 weeks na ako niyan, guys. Naka 2 weeks na ako sa kimchi ko. Kaya, malapit na siya piling kainin, ha? Malapit na siyang piling kainin. Tsaka, itlog. Marami kong itlog, guys. Itlog. Dami kong itlog. Ayan, dami kong itlog. May cake. May fish. Then, I have my broccoli. Then, I have my paksiw. My paksiw, guys. Then, I have my ano ba to? Anong tawag nito? Nahulog. Ano nga tawag nito? Then, mushroom pala, mushroom. And then, may tomato. Yes. Yan, ang nasa ref ko, guys. Yan lang ang nasa ref ko. Ref ko yan, nasa loob ng ref ko. Yan. Lagay ko yan, arrange ko yan para maging flawless. Then, lagay ko yan dito para magiging flawless. Then, ito. Then, should I put it back? I should put back here. Then, here. So, I don't have enough space of my ref, guys. Ano ba yan? Then, I have my, what do you call this one? Sage. Sausage pala. Then, what else? Bacon, sausage. Yan. Yan ang nasa ref ko, guys. So, ito yung lagi kong iniinom sa gabi. Guys, lagi ko itong iniinom sa gabi. Sa gabi, lagi ko talaga ito siyang iniinom sa gabi. Ito yun. Kasi, ito, pangpatalino to. Pangpatalino. Gusto mong tumalino. Ayan. Ayan, gusto mong tumalino, guys. Ayan, guys. Tumalino ka nito pag ito ang iinom mo. Yan. Yan. Kita nyo yan? Then, this one. This one, guys. Ayan. May, what do you call this one? May delight ko yung panghalo ko sa kape ko. Ito yun. Yan yun. That's all I can share you guys. Nothing more. Nothing more. That's all. See you in my next vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Okay? Love you all. Bye. Bye.